Hello and welcome. Third session today, AP Chemistry, Unit 1, Topic 3. Let's see what we'll have. Just a review for the elemental composition of pure substances. We are already done with Unit 1.1 and 1.2. 1.3 is where we are now. We already understand molar mass and molar mass of molecules. We can even get the molar mass of formula units, a.k.a. formula mass. But what do we have today? Let's zoom out. Percentage mass calculations is what we are interested in today. So let's see, what is percentage mass? Percentage mass tells you how much of a compound total mass come from one specific element. It shows the element share of the total expressed as a percent. Remember, this is mass percent. It's like you have a pizza and you're trying to know for this pizza how much is made from dough, how much is cheese, and how much is a topping. It's like you are saying that cheese is making 33.3% of the mass, and the dough is making 50% of the total mass. So, example is a sugar cube. If I have a sugar cube, which is 10 grams on the balance, and I know inside it 4 grams is made of carbon. So, what is the percentage mass of carbon in the cube? Simply, you will just divide the mass of the carbon, which is 4 grams, by the mass of the cube, which is 10 grams, and multiply this by 100. So, it is. Now, let's go to our practice book. That will help us to practice questions on the percentage mass topic. And let's see our first question. Our first question is asking to calculate the percentage mass or percentage composition by mass of each element in water. So let's see how can we do this. I have the atomic masses of hydrogen as 1.01 and oxygen is equal to 16. So we need first to find the total mass. The total mass of everything is going to be equal to the addition of both masses. So 2 atoms of hydrogen, every one is multiplied by 1.01, that's equal to 2.02, and the other one, grams for sure, and the other one is oxygen. I have one oxygen only multiplied by 16, that's equivalent to 16 grams, and when you add these two together, you get 18.02. 18.02 is the total mass of everything. So remember our question, it says that to find the percentage mass of each element. What is the first element? It is hydrogen. The percentage mass of hydrogen is equal to hydrogen mass. Take care, don't put 1.01. If you said 1.01, you are talking about one atom only. You need to know the percentage of the total hydrogen. So we already calculated hydrogen as 2.02, and we divide this by 16, and then we multiply this by 100. So let me do the math for that. 2.002 divided by the total mass, which is 18.02, and then we multiply this by 100. I got 11.209. I need how many significant figures? 4 ones, so I'll pick the first 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, and then 0 will be changed into 1. So this means that's 11.21 percentage. And for the second one, oxygen, I will do exactly the same. Divide the 16 by 18.02, multiply this by 100, you get 88.79%. The second question is about carbon dioxide. Remember that you will find the answers also step by step here in our practice book. Find the percentage composition by mass of each element in the carbon dioxide. Nothing changed, it is the same. First, find the total mass. Total mass is 12.01, that's because it is one carbon. Add this to 2 atoms of oxygen, every one of them is 16. So the total is 32. If you want to get it for carbon, the percentage by mass of carbon is equal to the mass of the carbon. One atom here is 12.01. And for oxygen, don't forget to make the 2 atoms of oxygen 32.2 and divide this by the total 12.01 again plus 2 multiplied by 16. You are supposed to do this in the previous one. So let's see the answers here. If you divide this by the total, which is 44.01, and multiply by 100, you will get the percentage of carbon 27.29 and oxygen 72.71. It makes sense, of course, that if we add these 2 percentages together, you must get 100%. The third example is exactly the same thing. Find the percentage composition by mass of each element in a calcium nitrate, and that will be easy if you know how to do the addition of all the atoms together. See video 1 if you are missing any point here. Calcium nitrate is made from 1 atom of calcium divided by the total mass, which is 164, and nitrogen is made from 2 atoms of nitrogen. It's not 1 nitrogen, it's 2 hydrogens, because outside the brackets or parentheses there is 2 here. Divide this by 100, divided by the total mass and multiplied by 100, and the last one is oxygen, do the same. Remember that the oxygen is 6 atoms here. If you have any difficulty in finding the number of atoms, please watch the first video. It explains very well how to count the atoms in any compound. Aluminum sulfate is the same thing. I will leave this for you. Try to put the answer in the comments and see if it's coming correct or no. And look at the practice sheet because it will give you the exact details of how to answer questions one by one. And our last example will be iron oxide. I will leave also this for you to try to practice, and the answers will be there explained. See you in the next video.